Hello YouTube. As you know, this is my 2003 Mercury Grand Marquis GS, and today we're going to go over the exhaust system, what I did to it, and a breakdown on the price of all the parts that I use to make it sound the way it does. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages doubting that this car has mufflers on it and that it's straight piped and this, that, and the other. So we'll go through what is on the car, and we're going to go up under the car and show you the whole setup itself, and including prices. Now, when I bought this car, it had the single exhaust. It was quiet and everything, so the first thing I did was the exhaust manifolds, they went. I bought some used Hooker Shorty headers for a 2004 Crown Victoria. I bought it on eBay for $130. Cleaned them up. They have a few dents here and there, but they work fine. I put them on the car. The catalytic converters. I originally had the catalytic converters on it, but I took the catalytic converters off. I had a muffler shop take the catalytic converters off, cut off the stock ones, weld on a pair of high flow catalytic converters, just one pair, and left the other pair off, so it only has two instead of four. I got an H-Pipe on it from Mercury Marauder of 2003. All the piping from the catalytic converter to the mufflers are 2-inch, only 2-inch. The mufflers are Jones exhaust flow packs. They're like a one-chambered tubular style muffler. And from the tailpipe to the chrome tip, I expanded the size. The muffler shop made the tailpipes. They are 2.5, and the chrome tips are 3.5. So they get bigger in the back, which helps more like a megaphone to make it louder, make it deeper, and make it echo more. So that's where it gets the sound from. So let's go up under the car and I'll show you the whole setup. As you can see here, the catalytic converter was cut off and they put a piece of straight pipe in there, and it goes 2-inch exhaust to the H-pipe right there. There's a cap going up and bolting to the Shorty headers, but those are cut off too, and I put high flow cats, so I only got a pair instead of 4. Now, as you can see right here, it's 2-inch exhaust bolted to an H-pipe, which is 2-inch exhaust. This is a Marauder H-pipe made by Walker Exhaust, and it goes factory all the way to the mufflers right there. You see the bullet mufflers right there? Those are Jones flow pack one-chambered mufflers, one on each side. And then the muffler shop made the tailpipes. They went from a 2-inch to a 2.5, and from the tailpipe to the tips are 3.5, so it gets bigger from there. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. As you can see here, these are 2.5, both sides, over the axles, and tips that open up to 3.5. As you can see right here, 3.5 inch from 2.5 inch. Now, you may ask how much everything costs. Like I said, the Hooker headers I bought on eBay for $150. The catalytic converters, those are the factory ones, and I had the muffler shop cut off the factory ones and put on a pair of high flow catalytic converters. That ran me $150. The H-pipe for the Marauder was $70 on Amazon. The mufflers were $30 each on Amazon. The chrome tips were $15 each on Amazon. And the labor and the extra piping to make the tailpipes ran me $250. So that's the full total price of everything that I did to the car. And I think it turned out pretty good. Like I said, it's not straight piped. It took trial and error to get it to where it sounds now. And I think it sounds pretty good. So the next video I'm going to be coming on with is me redoing the grill and making it look like a Marauder in front. So until then, I'll see you.